On the behalf of management, faculty, students, honor, and all the luminaries present here on the occasion of the opening ceremony of India Analog Design Contest 2014, I would like to invite our honorable chief guests and other dignitaries present for lighting the lamp to pay reverence to the goddess of knowledge, Ma Saraswati. Also with us, Engineer Anurag Agarwal ji, Chairman Arya College of Engineering IT, Professor Dhananjay Gupta ji, Principal Arya College of Engineering IT, Professor Shiv Kumar ji, Senior Professor, Department of Computer Science, Professor P.D. Murarka ji, Senior Professor, Department of Computer Science, Professor Akhil Pandey ji, HOD, Department of Computer Science and IT, Professor Ranu Srivastava ji, HOD, Department of Electronics and Communication. Now, I would like to request Engineer Anurag Agarwal sir to please present flower bouquet to... Thank you, sir. The foundation of Arya Group of Colleges was laid by the founder chairman late Engineer Shri T.K. Agarwal to amalgamate all our co-curricular activities and academics with a recognized teaching curriculum. With this aim, college offers undergraduates and postgraduate courses in the arena of engineering and management. The Rajasthan Technical University and selective branches are accredited by National Board of Accreditation. To provide a platform for the students, college regularly organizes various workshops, training programs, cultural fests and other programs such as Arya Ratna, Shraddhanjali, Top Gun's farewell party, auto admission, exergy, excellence, etc. Now, I would like to introduce our guest of honor, Professor C.P. Gupta ji. India in 2001, he was a professor of electrical engineering at IIT Delhi for 10 years from 1991 to 2001. He has also held a visiting position at the University of Southern California and the position from the with highest scores from Indian Institute of Science in 1987 and BE in electrical with a gold medal from Bangalore University in 1983. He has published over this and journals. He founded the VLSI Design and Test Symposium and also an author, editor, co-author of over 12 books in area of VLSI and has contributed several book chapters. He is the editor of the Journal of VLSI. He founded and was the honorary secretary of VSI from 2003 to 2011. Now, I would like to brief you about our college chairman, Engineer Anurag Agarwal ji. Engineer Anurag Agarwal, a well-established successful technocrat and an innovative educationalist, has multiple credentials to his credit. He is the son of T.K. Agarwal ji, who laid the foundation of technical education in the state of Rajasthan by establishing the first private engineering college with excellent standards. He completed his master's in engineering in electrical stream and pursued the dreams of his father by inheriting the Arya Group of colleges. Of time, the group has expanded to the perseverance and dedication of Engineer Anurag Agarwal ji and has carved a niche for itself at national front. His creative instinct, research-oriented perspectives, and an inclination for adopting the most modern high-tech education techniques has made him a distinguished academician, ascertaining success of his principles, which are a key to imminent success. By remembering the words of Abraham Lincoln, all creation is a mine and every man a miner. We are gathered here on the occasion of India Analog Design Contest 2014, organized by Department of Electronics and Communication in association with Crane Software International Limited Bangalore and Texas International University Bangalore. It is a magnetization of lab. I would like
Computer Science Department RT Kota at ACEIT. India Analog Design Test 14 is being organized in the campus, and I am glad to know that around 212 participants have been registered from electronics and communication and electrical engineering branches in this contest. It is very interesting to know that this contest would help the students to find creative ways to solve system level design problems. I congratulate the college, the students for, and association members for signing an MOU to establish research lab and organize faculty development programs in the college premises. I am also glad to know that winners of the contest will receive certificates and prizes from Texas Instruments and would represent ARIA on a national level. This is a very good opportunity to all the students to participate in the events and show their creativity and learn many things which they would have otherwise not learned through the books that they are being taught in the college. This
the Technical Director of University Relations at Texas Instruments India Limited at our college in Nike. Sir, you are welcome. I also welcome Dr. C.B. Gupta ji, sir, one of the pillar in the Rajasthan Technical University, and in the chapter of Rajasthan's College Prosperity and Development. Sir has got a very good contribution and a positive attitude. So you are welcome. I am glad to know that Ravi ji leads TI India Technical University, which provides learning opportunities in the field of embedded processors and analog ICs. Sir, the schooling in Rajasthan is not that very good. The Rajasthan state is a very big state. The era of higher education and technical education in Rajasthan is a very new thing in phenomena, which is not very popular also. सर इस साल तो बिल्कुल ये प्रूव हो गया ये बात, बट इसका कारण क्या है? The main reason behind this is the confidence of the students. They believe that the professionalism, the money spent on your education is not worth, or you are not confident enough beyond IITs and government colleges, regional colleges. But I always tell you, my dear students, the world moves with the average students. ये दुनिया एवरेज लोगों से चलती है. एवरेज से थोड़ा बेटर होगा. अगर आप एवरेज से थोड़ा बेटर हो गए, you will be recognized by a whole world. नहीं, झुंड है जो एवरेज लोगों का है, और आपको you should believe in yourself. When you become an engineer, उसके बाद what matters is the knowledge, what matters is the confidence, what matters is how you deliver, how you are capable of delivering the things to your employer. How is it possible? ये कैसे possible होगा? आपको एवरेज से अच्छा कैसे बनोगे? यूनिवर्सिटी करिकुलम से नहीं बन सकते आप. यूनिवर्सिटी करिकुलम पढ़ लो तो आप एक मोनोटोनस मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर तो बन सकते हो डिग्री के लिए. यस, आई एम इंजीनियर, CIA, कुछ भी है, but because of the population, determination of the population and the youth, we will be one of the best. Everybody has to do the best. Government को अच्छा करना पड़ेगा. Policies according to the people like. And we have done a lot of good things in last 20 years. लास्ट 20 साल में जो हमने ग्रोथ करी है वो 50 साल 60 साल में नहीं करी. The only thing is learning. आपको वर्ल्ड क्लास लर्निंग करनी पड़ेगी. आप लोग, you are very lucky, you are very fortunate that आपके पास टेक्नोलॉजी है. आज इंडिया is the third largest country which uses the internet after America, China and India. With this, I again thank you, Ravi ji and C.P. Gupta sir, for providing such a platform and giving the opportunity to the students to get something beyond curriculum and near to the technology. Thank you very much.
So I request you to take this opportunity which has been provided to you by Texas Instruments and take as much as you can take from Professor Ravi Kumar. He is very generous in imparting knowledge and sharing his knowledge. So I'll not take much time, and only thing which I'll say to you people is take what you can. It's your capacity that how much you can take from Professor Ravi Kumar today. Thank you.
It is my pleasant duty to thank the senior management of this institution. I would like to recount that some of your faculty members visited me at our office in Bangalore, and at that time they had extended an invitation that I should make it a point to visit your organization.